What's up, guys? I'm Travis with Speedy's. Today we're picking up where we left off. We're going to do a little garage cleanup and take a tour of one of the greatest muscle cars of all time. I made a challenge last video, we got a few likes, and now it's time for Mr. Speedy to keep his word and clean up the shop. And man, does it need it. At this point, I'm starting to think Mr. Speedy might be a hoarder. So yeah, the shop's looking pretty rough. We got everything including the kitchen sink, literally. Now Mr. Speedy doesn't know it, but I'm bringing in a very special guest to help him clean up. And I hope he don't mind. He's kind of one of those guys that doesn't like anyone else working on his cars. I'm sure to be fine once he sees who it is. So let's go ahead and bring him in. Introducing the King of Clean, Mr. Clean himself. What the hell are you doing? You just knocked out Mr. Clean. He's like 80 years old. Oh, I can't believe this. We're gonna get sued. Okay guys, we're back with a slight change of plans. Mr. Speedy has decided to clean up the shop himself. So, while he's doing that, let's go ahead and look at the greatest muscle car of all time. The Chevelle. This is a 1968 Chevelle Malibu, the first year of this body style. It has the legendary 327 small block engine. This is the original motor to the car with only 90,000 miles. It also has the original trans, which is a 2-speed power glide, and is still used today in a lot of drag racing cars. So really cool car. I like the 327 small block engine better than the 396 that came in the Super Sports because the small block is much lighter, so you're going to get a lot better handling car and can be built to have almost as much power as the big blocks. I got the car completely stock, running and driving. It does have rust in all the typical places, but we're working on that. In fact, we've already done a few things. We'll go ahead and get you caught up. We started hacking out all that rusty junk and welded in brand new patch panels. Went through all the brakes, added some nice wheel wood rotors and calipers to stop this beast. Then we replaced the shocks and springs, lowering the car over an inch. We got some tubular control arms and some adjustable Ride-Tech shocks for the front. You'll see all that cool stuff in an upcoming video. Man, I can't wait. I love this car so much. It's going to be badass. We should probably check in on Mr. Speedy. Oh cool, you found a magic 8-ball. Will we get sued by Mr. Clean? Damn it. Alright, well the shop is looking much better. It's not the Taj Mahal, but it's functional. At least we can get some work done now. Oh cool, you found some stickers. Nice. I think we should give these away. Yeah, if you collect stickers or just want them, let us know in the comments. Just subscribe, like the video, and ring the notification bell, and tell us what you want to put them on. We'll pick a winner and ship them out to you. The funniest comment will probably win. So I think that about wraps it up for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time.